be trying Cardi B's hair mask. I love hair care so much. I can crack an egg. This looks like
me's a very freaky gal.
a little bit more than a tablespoon. I need to wash my hair anyways because it's nasty. Today I'm going to be filming a hair care video. I'm going to be trying Cardi B's hair mask. People have been sharing a lot of good reviews about it, and I'm putting my hair into a protective hairstyle, so I really want to just treat my hair real quick. Behind me are all the ingredients that I'm going to be putting in the mask, as well as the blender because I'm blending all the ingredients together. I'm bringing you guys a little closer so that you guys can really see what I'm going to be using today. This is my olive oil, the avocado oil. I think castor oil goes in it, but this is like real Jamaican castor oil. I'm putting that in there because it's good for your hair. And then I have some coconut oil and avocado one. Aloe vera. People squeeze it out and use the juice out of the aloe vera, but I'm actually just going to be using the entire thing. I've been told that it's better to use all of it than to just juice it. I have 2 eggs. Let's get into it. I need to move you guys back for real. I'm going to be putting everything directly into the blender to save some time, and I'm not trying to dirty up every single dish in my kitchen because I literally hate dishes. I don't really like this knife. These into something first because I don't want to get any shells into the mask. I can crack an egg, but sometimes I just accidentally get a little bit of the shells in, and I don't want to do that. Oh. See? Like, I'm good. I'm making it seem like it's so difficult to crack an egg. Like I said, sometimes I have little mishaps. I hope I don't cut myself and need to use it. This looks like
me's a very freaky gal.
Aloe vera apparently has a lot more benefits for your hair. I don't really know the list right now. Oh my god, this is so slimy.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me.
Guys, I haven't been on YouTube in so long, and the last time you guys seen me, I had braces and black hair, and now my hair is red, and my braces are off.
That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand?
Also guys, side note, this is my results from my twist out. If you guys want to see it, I'll show you guys how I do my twist out. Let's get back to the mask. This is a little bit more than a tablespoon. My dog is coming to use the washroom at 11:57. Tyson, you're interrupting my video. So disrespectful. This is what it looks like. It's not cute. It's definitely not cute. So I'm just like pulsing it right now because I don't want it to get too soupy. First of all, guys, I untucked my shirt because I looked back at one of the clips and I'm like, girl, what are you doing? I'm just gonna show you guys. It's got like a consistency. I mean, it could have been blended a little bit more. It's still a little chunky in some spots. I think it'll do. Guys, I'm putting it on dirty hair. Maybe it would have been better on clean hair. I'll try that next time. I need to wash my hair anyways because it's nasty. So I'm like, I'm just gonna put it on my dirty hair. I'm just gonna be doing small pieces, and I'm gonna be brushing it through with this comb.
Everything about you. Your smile.
So I'm gonna be doing sections like this. It's feeling a little neglected. I mean the bottom, the ends of my hair, and then bring it up. Oh, this person is liking my pictures, like they won't stop.
Oh, yeah. All day long. Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, babe.
I love hair care so much. This is like the amount of mask that I have left. I just try and apply it to my roots a little bit more. So this is what's left in the bowl from the mask. I pretty much used it all of applying the whole entire mask throughout my head. Do you see like how there's like chunks and stuff in my head? That's what I meant by like I think I could have blended it a little bit longer. I'm leaving this in my hair for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna be back just to show you guys what the curls look like with it just washed out. I'm gonna actually shampoo and condition my hair and I'll be back. Okay, so this is my hair. It's been just a little over 45 minutes. I feel like this is definitely one of those masks that you have to keep doing and stay consistent with to really see results. So this is my hair after I get out of the shower and put my leave-in conditioner in. Oil, I like this oil just to seal my hair. I tried one of the 2 Cardi B masks that I know. What I can say is that when I was sitting with the mask in my hair, my scalp was getting a little like itchy. I don't know if it was the egg that was one thing that I noticed. Just gonna keep doing it if it's gonna help me with my hair growth. I really like these curls. I really don't like this pimple. Stay tuned for my other videos, guys, because I'm going to be posting more. Now, I'm not going to tell you guys anything. I'm just going to be like, post. If I post, I post.